Alienware M18 R2 is a high-performance laptop built to deliver power, clarity, and premium features for users who demand uncompromised speed and precision. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. With its massive 18-inch QHD Plus display and 165Hz refresh rate, this device offers an expansive viewing experience that is crystal clear, immersive, and ideal for both productivity and intensive workloads. Powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX 14th Gen processor, and paired with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 with 12 GB of GDDR6 dedicated graphics. This laptop is designed to handle demanding applications and tasks with ease. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD ensure rapid boot times, fluid multitasking, and plenty of space for your projects and files. If you need more storage, the system includes 2 SSD slots that can support up to 9 TB of total storage, making it incredibly future-ready. The display doesn't just impress with its size and resolution, it also includes ComfortView Plus for reduced eye strain and supports 100% DCI P3 color coverage, delivering vivid, true-to-life visuals. Dolby Vision and dynamic display switching enhance the viewing experience even further, ensuring every scene is sharp and responsive. Whether you're streaming, designing, or working on detailed projects, this display stands out with clarity and performance. Thermal efficiency is another major strength of the M18 R2. With an advanced thermal interface material on both the CPU and GPU, the laptop maintains optimal performance over extended use by effectively dissipating heat. This means you can push the system hard without worrying about overheating or throttling. The keyboard design emphasizes comfort and precision, featuring a recessed layout, full numpad, and large touchpad. An optional cherry mechanical keyboard version adds stainless steel switches and a 15 million keystroke lifecycle, providing professional-grade tactile feedback and durability. All of these features come wrapped in a premium dark metallic moon chassis, giving the system a bold, futuristic aesthetic. This is a top-tier machine built for users who prioritize performance, display quality, and upgrade flexibility. I've included the product link in the description below so you can explore the latest pricing, detailed specs, and any available offers.